This is the last group, and I want to show you how to use the tricks you have learned and how many of them can be easily combined together, starting with a spike to a coin toss. Here we see an axle cascade to a flick flag. Here's the M80 in action, an axle takeoff to axle cascades. To flick flags. To axle cascade landings. Now back to the dynamite with 3 coin tosses going from left to right or towards center. Some more groundwork. Little flip-flop there. Fade. More groundwork. Reverse coin toss. Another stall axle. An axle takeoff to a fade and a fade rollout. Here's another coin toss, back and forth. Another stall to an axle landing. An axle takeoff to a fade rollout. Now here's a cascade ending in a flip-flop. Little more groundwork. A 540 to a flick flag. Another belly launch here into a rising fade. Another rising fade, little flick flack action. Here's a very close pancake to a fade, rising fade, into a 540. There it is again. And now we're going to watch it in slow motion. We're rising, pull back into the flick flack, and then 540. We have our angle, pull, and there it is. Close to the ground flick flacks from fades. Very close to the ground on that one. Another rising fade. Little flip to a tip stand. Now here we have some yo-yos into fades, flick flacks. And another flip over there, back to a landing. And finally with a dynamite, It's a backflip into a fade. There's the backflip. Let it rotate all the way around, back into a fade, small flick flack, back into a backflip, and out. So let's watch that again in slow motion. And pull it around to the fade. And recover. One more time. And with the M80, we have a back flip, front flip to an axle. There's the back flip. Pull for the front flip, pull, and then axle. And the dynamite back flip, rotating back flip. Let it go all the way around for the fade into a flick flack. So the purpose of this last section was to give you just a sample of the combinations that are available. So now it's time to come up with a few of your own. Most of the flying on this video was taped in a 4 to 8 miles per hour wind using 100-foot spectra lines.